I live in Canada, more precisely in Winnipeg, Manitoba. If you know anything about Winnipeg, we get snow, a lot of snow. For half of the year, our world is a frozen wonderland. It looks more like the North Pole than a jungle. No green, just an endless sea of white. By March and April, everyone has had enough of the cold. When you get a winter that just won't let go of its icy grip, you start to think that maybe this winter will not end. There's too much snow. It's gonna take forever to melt all of the snow and ice. You start to think that this world will never be green again. I'm always in shock when it happens. Even though I've seen it every year all of my life, I'm always in awe of how quickly it happens. How can a world go from so dead and desolate to a jungle in such a short time? When I say jungle, I actually mean jungle. I have seen jungles in other parts of the world, how lush and green and full of life they are. The jungle season of the north looks exactly like the jungles of the tropics. Yes, we may not have palm trees, we may not have monkeys, we may not have alligators, thank God for that. We have enough deadly predators of our own. But if you compare the photos of a jungle in the tropics to the jungles of the north, the photos look very similar. The jungles of the north look just as lush and green and full of life as those in the south. In Winnipeg, we might be famous for our cold weather, but I just want to highlight our jungle season as well. If you come at the right time of year, you will be in shock of how lush and green everything is here. You will also start to call it a jungle, the jungle of the north. Imagine that. Well, that's it for this video. Take your photos of the jungle season because this lush jungle of the north will not last. Have fun and keep shooting.